Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make your Hiboy S2/S2 Pro faster in a safe and reliable way. We'll go through simple tips like battery care, tire pressure, app settings, and riding techniques. But remember, I will not show any illegal hacks or limiter bypass methods, because those can be unsafe and void your warranty. So let's get started. Step 1. Safety and legal check. First things first. Safety gear is a must. Wear your helmet, gloves, and make sure you know your local speed regulations before testing. Step 2. Battery condition and full charge. A fully charged and healthy battery gives more power. Always use the original charger, and if your battery is old, consider replacing it. Step 3. Tire pressure and tire type. Check your tire pressure. Keeping it at the recommended level reduces rolling resistance and increases speed. Pneumatic tires can also improve performance and comfort. Step 4. Check brake drag. If your brakes are rubbing, your scooter loses speed. Adjust them so the wheel spins freely. Step 5. Lubrication and mechanical check. Make sure bearings, axles, and bolts are tight and smooth. Apply a little lubricant where needed for better rolling efficiency. Step 6. Reduce extra weight. Remove unnecessary accessories or heavy items. A lighter scooter accelerates faster and reaches higher speeds. Step 7. App settings, ride mode. In the Hiboy app, switch to sport mode for stronger throttle response and more speed. Just remember to ride responsibly. Step 8. Firmware update. Check for official firmware updates. These often improve performance and fix bugs. Avoid third-party or unofficial firmware, as they can damage your scooter. Step 9. Riding technique and position. Your riding position makes a difference. Lean slightly forward and keep your posture aerodynamic for a smoother, faster ride. Step 10. Professional upgrades. If you want even more speed, visit a professional shop for upgrades like stronger batteries or controllers. But remember, this can void your warranty and increase risks. Avoid DIY hacks or limiter bypass. Step 11. Safe speed test. Finally, test your scooter safely in an open area with a GPS speedometer app. Always have a friend nearby and keep your helmet on. That's it for today's video on how to make your Hiboy S2/S2 Pro faster, safely. Which tip will you try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more scooter tips. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next video.